Hello, good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we have the following interesting Olympiad Math problem. We're given the following equation: x squared plus x plus 1, this is equal to 0, and right over here we're going to evaluate x to the power of 2024. I find this problem very interesting, that's why I decided to make the video. And here we're going to make use of the following nice algebraic identities. Now let's get into the video. For this solution, I will first consider solving for the roots of this equation. And when we use the general quadratic formula to solve this equation here, since it is a quadratic equation, we will find out that x is equal to negative b, which is negative 1, plus or minus I root of 3 divided by 2. I know that we're very familiar with this formula, how to make use of this formula in solving a quadratic equation, or when solving a quadratic equation. Now, another thing we're going to do here is to consider when these roots are squared. For the first root here, we have x squared will be equal to, this is same as negative 1 over 2 plus I root of 3 over 2 squared. Now, when we make use of this property right over here, we have the first term squared, which is 1 over 4, right? Then plus the second term squared here, I squared is negative 1, so we have a negative 1. Root 3 squared is 3, then all over 4. Then we have plus, right? So here we have plus 2 times first term times the second term here. But remember, it will have a negative 1, right? So here we have I root of 3 over 2. And simplifying this, we have negative 1 over 2 minus I root of 3 over 2. Now let us consider squaring the other roots. So when we square the other root, so we have negative 1 over 2 minus I root of 3 over 2, which is the conjugate form of the first root. So if we simplify this properly, make use of this property here, so we're going to have the conjugate form of this one here, which will be negative 1 over 2 plus I root of 3 over 2. So we can come up with the following identity, that x squared is equal to negative 1 plus or minus I root of 3 all over 2. Amazing. Now, let us recall another interesting algebraic property, but this one is the difference of two cubes property. So remember that a cubed minus b cubed, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now we're going to let a equals x and we let b equals 1. So from here, a cubed will be x cubed minus b cubed will be 1 cubed, which is 1. This is equal to x minus 1, right, multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1, right? And recall from the original equation, the equation given is that x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So here we replace with 0. So from here we have x cubed minus 1, this is equal to 0 times x minus 1, which is 0. So from here we have x cubed is equal to 1. Amazing. Now recall, the expression we're going to evaluate is x to the power of 2024, right? Okay, now 2024 can be expressed as 2022 plus 2, right? And from here, 2022 is a multiple of 3, which is same as 674 times 3 plus 2, right? Now, we have that x to the power of 2024, this is equal to x to the power of 2022 plus 2. This is equal to x to the power of 2022 multiplied by x squared. What is going on here? Nice question. Recall that a to the power of b plus c, this is same as a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c. So that is what is going on here. We have here 2022 plus 2. Right over here we have b plus c. And we can express this like this. So we can actually express this one as this, right? Now, our major priority here is to find the value of x to the power of 2022. Already we have that x squared is equal to -1 plus or minus I root of 3 over 2, right? Now, recall from this equation here, x cubed, which is equal to 1, we can go ahead and raise both sides to the power of 674, right? Since we know that 674 times 3 will give us x to the power, will give us 2022. So from here we have x to the power of 3 times 674, which equals 2022. This is equal to 1 to the power of 674, which is 1. So from here, this is same as 1 times x squared, which is x squared. Amazing. So this is actually telling us that the value of x to the power of 2024 is the same as the value of x squared. And recall once again that x squared is equal to -1 plus or minus I root of 3 all over 2. So from here, we can deduce that x to the power of 2024, this is equal to x squared. That is, the value is same as the value of x squared, right? Which is equal to -1 plus or minus I root of 3 over 2. And this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please, you can turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Bye-bye.